exercise that I love. I always exercise, but I never look forward to it, and now I really do.
What's your choice? What do you love?
Zumba. Zumba, really?
Whoops.
It's like they show those pictures of what you think you look like doing Zumba and what you really look like. I'm the and it's so much fun.
They're good.
Wow. And so I was reading.
Yummy. Caleb likes Mum-Mums. You're doing so good with them.
I've lost a little bit over 30, and I got a little bit more to go. But
Is it so yummy? Yummy. Good job. You're doing so good. You're getting so big.
I wake up to you on Saturday mornings and watch you in the kitchen, and I thought it's on the Food Channel, on the Food Network, everyone. But here's the thing, I thought that it was that you were maybe filling in for someone. Wait a minute. Have the cooking show.
Yum.
because I love to cook.
Whoops.
And it came out of my mom and my grandma's recipes, all that home cooking stuff. And then when I got asked about doing a show, and I didn't want to do it.
Whoops.
I didn't want it to be, and now you add a cup of sugar and just be boring. And so I said, if I could have my
Good
sisters
job.
and my friends and my peeps on there, we could laugh and have fun, and I could interact with somebody else.
Yes.
So our show really
Good job.
we just accidentally get some food made. I mean, we tell the stories and we laugh a lot. We show that.
Nope, all gone. Let's get some more. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See, I love my Mum-Mums. Oh, you still got a piece in there. Whoops. That's okay. We'll get another piece. Okay? Bye-bye.